Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some important interview coding questions which is asked in various companies such like Persistent, TCS, Accenture, Wipro, Cognizant and so on. So we will see the code one by one. I will explain how to write a code in Python. Open any kind of browser and search online Python compiler. This video dedicated for the Python learner. I usually prefer GDB online compiler. Let's get started with our first program which is Palindrome Word. Palindrome number or words. It remains same when we read from opposite or backward direction. Just take example of Malayalam. When we read from the forward direction, it is similar when we read as reverse. So I just print this. As you see, this returns the reverse. The slicing method is like whatever variable we have and then the start position by default it is 0 colon the end position by default is 0 and the step size that by default is 1 for forward step and -1 it will be backwardly or reversely done. So this is the slice method. So by checking, we can apply here the if else statement. If a of colon -1 equals to original word or a, then print yes given word is palindrome. Let it be. Then else print the no. Else print the no, not the Malayalam or nothing. So we will take the palindrome word. So it is given the yes. If there is the interval who is saying don't use the slicing method, so you simply use the for loop for I in A. Actually, a string is iterable or subscriptive. We will discuss this term later when we see the palindrome of number. So I just declare a reverse function. Not so we'll declare the reverse variable, empty variable, which is the string data type, and reverse equals to I plus reverse. So let we see what was happening here. So in my like college days, I usually do such kind of things like for a variable. I usually prefer such kind of way to interpret what is going. First is take the and letter, then reverse will be the n plus empty. So which is the n plus nothing. Then it will goes to the second index which is the a. Okay. Then reverse is n like whatever it is the n. Then second time it will be the a plus reverse means a n. Then second time it is a j. Then reverse will be j plus an which is jan. Then a which is a j a n, and the last one it is n. So by this it is reversing the thing. In various time there was some capital or there's some space in between the word. So we have to remove that thing. So we use the normal string method like lower, okay, and we replace the space like a dot replace the space replaced by the empty string. So it will still return the s. Let me see. Okay. So these two are too important, like lower and replace. Then use a standard method for reversing the word, and then compare this with if-else statement. So let's check for number. Let's we take any random number 1 to 1. As we know, this is the palindrome, but we will have to choose. So we like the integer. It is like non-subscriptive, means we can't slice that integer, and we can't also it drive like it is non-iterable. Just like for you guys, I'm just printing this like to clear you that it not works. Then it will be showing it is non-subscriptive or non-subscriptable. It is non-subscriptable because it's its property and will show the type error. So this thing is not work here, not work. Okay, and let's think for else. Like as I see, it is non-iterable, so we can't do I in A, and we can't in that thing like same that it will return that it is non-iterable or something. Yeah, it is. So we can't do these things also, but for that, we can use the while loop, and we can use a standard thing. First, I just storing this thing like A in num, because whatever I'm doing changes in A will have to reflect, and there should be the 1 to 1 should remain the same. So I use the while. While for difference is just like when we don't know the iteration, how many iteration we have to perform. So that time we will use the while. So A is more than 0. In while session, we always pass the positive thing, and until it is positive, it will work, and it is false, then it will stop. So I just use a digit variable, and I simply do the A mod 10. Just I writing this fastly, and I will explain later. Then reverse into 10, the digit. In various way you saw this skill, I will explain it well. Okay. Hmm. So as you see, A mod 10 means firstly from 1 to 1 we do the mod means by dividing the thing reminder is 1, so it will show to the digit like digit will show the 1, and to reverse first we have to initialize the reverse as 0, then 0 into 10 it is a 0, and addition to digit the reverse become the 1. Okay. Then for the a divisible by 2, that is the integer divisor means it will be 120. Sorry, it will the divisor it should be the 1 2. Okay, it will return this 12. This will return the 12. Then uh, second time, like a become now from 1 to 1 from 12. Okay. Then second time, digit is become a mod or 12 mod 10 means 2. Then digit becomes 2. Then reverse into 10 means 10 plus 2 like 12, and the a will be the 1. Okay. Then for third still it is not a 0, you know. Then let me go ahead, and in 1 mod 10 means 1, digit equals to 1, and reverse is like 12 into 10, 120 plus 1 means 1 to 1. Okay, and the 1 mod 10 means 0. So here loop will be stop, and we got our reverse trend. Okay. So let I just print to show like what is happening. We will share that. So first we have to initialize reverse as 0, and again that statement log equals to reverse, then print yes given string sorry yes given number if palindrome, and else it is no. And it's not. Let's see what is written. Yes, given number is palindrome. Let me change number 520. It will return now. Okay. Let's start with the next program, which is the prime number. Prime number basically a number which is divisible by itself and the 1, just like 2, 3, 5, 7. 2 is only divisible by 2 and the 1. 3 is only divisible by 3 and the 1. 5, 7 as similar to that. So let's check the number is prime or not by the program. I take a integer variable which contains 37. Use a for loop for r in range. Start with the 2 and the number itself, like the a. So this loop will be start from 2, 3, 4 to the 37. So let me check the condition. If the number a is divisible by I, that reminder is written 0, then this is not the prime. So let's we take a new variable which is like flag. Okay. First we take as a true when the condition is satisfied. This like if the number is divisible by other numbers, okay, then we will take this like we can do the flag as false. That means the number is not prime. Okay, and we can break here. So no need to check the other condition. If 37 divisible by anything like 2 or something, then it will directly break. Then we check the condition is a true, like then print is prime. This format used to print uh, the variable value in the given text. Okay, so we pass to the a or the else, then is not prime. Dot format a. Let's run the code. 37 is prime. Okay, let me check the 30. So it is not a prime. Okay, start with our next program, which is the Fibonacci series. Let me introduce what is the series. Like it will start from 0, 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Then second, and the result is like 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So we already know the first one it is 0, and the second one it is the 1. Okay, second one is 1. So we just print from 10, like starting 10 Fibonacci series, like I in range 10. Okay, Then we will bring that n1 first. Okay. Then later we will do the addition like n equals n1 plus n2, and we will simply store n1 to n2. Before doing any changes to n2, we directly that given to the n1, and then we change the n2 by the temp variable. Okay, then simply run that, and there is some error. So okay, we have to comment this thing. We forget to comment it. So look, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Yeah, it is printing the correct. Do interpretation. So we will simply take the n1 here, then take n2. Use this method for evaluating your answer in exams, and we take the temp variable. Okay. So from the beginning it is a 0 and it is the 1. So first time the print statement, okay, print the 0. Okay. Then we basically do that addition will become the 1, then become the 1. Then n1 is become to the n2 means the 1, and n2 become the 10 means 1. And what we print? We print the n1. So here it is a 1. Okay. Then next time the 10 add this like it's 2, and n1 store the value of n2. It becomes again 1. No change. Then the n2 take the value of 10 which is 2, and we print the n1. It is the 1. Okay. Then next time we again add this thing like this is the 3. Okay. Then store n2 into n1 which is 2. Okay. Then again take this 3 to n2 and do addition and just print the 2. Okay. Then do the addition which is the 5. Again this is goes there, this goes there, print this and do addition. It is all about the Fibonacci series. I think it will be easy to understand right now, and it will be remember to you in long time. So do this kind of things. Okay. Let's see the next program, which is the Factorial. I basically use the simple method like take any number, like the Factorial, use for and in range with that number. Like first before that, take a fact variable which is contain the one integer variable, then just put fact into equals to I. So we have to put the range from the positive one. Okay. Then we plus 1 for the ending. So we should from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let's see for 5 it should be the 120. Probably like 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, or with into that word like that number until that number. Do different like this thing. Yeah. Many people can use the recursive method also according to like your simplicity. Do okay. So that's it. And the more program for anagram that I will share in the next video. So thank you for watching.